Okay guys, so we're gonna do the slightly harder version of this now, which is the hx equal to f on x minus 2, and we're gonna graph it. So hopefully it wasn't too bad graphing at least the original f of x and this one. This one's a little bit trickier. So I've written out the function here again. And what we're gonna do, because this is in brackets here, anywhere we have an x minus 2, anywhere we have an x, we're gonna sub in x minus 2 for it. So anything in the bracket is going to be subbed in here. So what we're going to do, instead of having x squared, we're going to have x minus 2 squared plus 2 times x minus 2 minus 4. So I've taken this and I've subbed it in there. X minus 2 squared, well, that's going to give me x squared minus 4x plus 4. You can do the grid method for that. And then it's going to be 2 times x is 2x. 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. And we've got minus 4 there. And what we can do is we can tidy that. We can add together our x's and our numbers, and we're going to be left with x squared, what was it, minus 2x plus 4. And again, we can use our minus b. So we can sub this into our minus b, and that will give us our roots, which is where crosses the x-axis. So we sub it into our minus b, we get 2 answers. We're going to get x is equal to minus 1.2, and we're going to get x is equal to 3.24, is it? 3.2. So this is where we cross our x-axis. So minus 1.2 and 3.2. Now, for our minimum, our original minimum was minus 1, minus 5. So we're minus 1, minus 5. When we have a 2 in the bracket here, right, what we're going to do is we're going to add that 2 onto the x component of our minimum here. So it actually becomes 1 minus 5. So the 2 in the bracket there is going to be added on to the x component there. Okay? In the last example, it was outside, so we took it away from the y. So our new minimum is going to be 1 minus 5. So let's try to plot this. So let's start off with minus 1.2. And let's look at 3.2. And again, we've got 1 minus 5, which goes there. And what I can do is I can join all 3 points there, like that. And we've plotted our new graph, which is h equals x. Slightly tricky, hopefully something like that won't come up, but it could.